The IT industry in Pakistan is grappling with persistent fears of internet slowdowns and shutdowns. These interruptions, attributed to the government's political decisions, have caused widespread inconvenience and economic challenges for months. Freelancers, startups, and remote workers are among the hardest hit, facing financial losses and missed opportunities. E-commerce platforms experience reduced activity, and online banking transactions are frequently disrupted. Students also struggle to access essential online resources due to these outages. IT professionals express frustration over the lack of a clear government strategy to address the issue. Mohammad Azhar, a software house owner, emphasized the risks posed to the IT sector, warning of potential irreparable damage if immediate action isn't taken. He noted that freelancers and startups bear the brunt of the outages, while software houses with premium internet face less disruption. Mr. Azhar highlighted concerns over the government's recent firewall installation, which has had limited success. The increased use of unregistered VPNs has rendered the firewall ineffective, raising cybersecurity risks for users. He added that a ban on VPNs would have crippled the IT industry. Nasir Ali, another IT professional, shared his concerns about losing clients due to the unpredictability of Pakistan's internet services. His company relies on shared internet, which is severely impacted by government restrictions. He urged the authorities to prioritize upgrading internet infrastructure instead of imposing further curbs. The IT industry has called on the government to lift the ban on X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter, to demonstrate a commitment to free internet access. Industry professionals stress that restoring confidence requires concrete action rather than hollow promises from government officials. For now, the IT sector and other affected groups remain in a state of uncertainty, waiting for meaningful measures to ensure stable internet connectivity in Pakistan.